cooking. We're gonna make us some food now.
This one I'm going to prepare for you this morning is an all-time favourite. Now, it's called bush sausage rolls. And you're thinking, bush sausage rolls, that sounds all right, but how the hell am I going to make that in the bush? Well, I'll show you how to do it, and it's really, really easy. And I'll tell you what, tasty little bites. Now, this is not really a meal. What you do with this is like little snacks or little hors d'oeuvres. You know, if you're sitting around, maybe the kids come up and go, Mum, I'm hungry, Dad, I'm hungry. You can make them up, some little bush sausage rolls. So let's give it a crack. So first of all, I'm gonna need some puff pastry. Get that out of the fridge. So ingredients first is sausages. So these are just a couple of sausages I got from the meat department, supermarket. Now, first thing you gotta do with the sausages is you gotta get rid of this skin that they're in. We'll open this one up as well. Take the skin off it. Not really the skin, the sausage isn't actually, you know, the sausage doesn't come out of the cow like that, trust me. You just get bits of cow and put it in there, usually the stuff on the floor. All right, so we need a sheet of pastry, and we're gonna put our sausages over there, put our pastry here, peel the back off it. We don't want this back going on. Now, I've had this puff pastry bouncing around the truck for weeks now, so it's fared quite well. So, I was quite surprised. So, we're gonna stick our sausage there like that, because that's gonna be the meat in our sausage roll, because that's what they call it, sausage roll, so bush sausage roll. We're gonna put some other ingredients in. I reckon we put a bit of cheese. And I reckon we sprinkle a little bit of bacon in there, roll it with a bit of bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? Bacon goes with everything, you know that. Bacon and eggs, bacon and cereal, bacon and ice cream. Just goes with everything. So we're going to put a line of bacon in. You don't need too much bacon. There's a bit of bacon. I'm just going to stick that there like that, just because I can. Then I'm going to stick the cheese. I'm going to roll a line of cheese in like that. Look at that, that even looks good to eat, and it's not even cooked yet. Right, so we're ready to roll our sausage roll. Jeez, it's all coming together, isn't it? It's the sausage roll, you put a sausage in it, you roll it, becomes a sausage roll. There we go, look at that. So keep rolling, roll right through. There's one like that. We may not even need a second one yet, so we just might stick that there. Now, I need to paint this with some egg, because it just gives it a little sort of, when it puffs up, gives a little glazed texture. So we grab an egg, beat up one egg. We beat an egg. It's so simple to make, even the kids could make this one, I reckon. You want to beat that egg really well. You actually almost want it to be frothy, and you can see there, nice and frothy egg. And then I'm just going to paint it. See the little frothy bits? You're looking at me going, what the hell's he painting egg on the top? Well, you will see, because it'll glaze up. Now, we cut it into our little sausage rolls, and I'm going to stick it on this. Put that on there like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. 4 cuts, 5 sausage rolls. Slippery little suckers. Alrighty, that is now ready for the camp oven. How quick and easy was that? Bit of bacon, bit of cheese, puff pastry, roll her in. You got the fridge, you can whack that sort of stuff in there. You're never ever gonna get that sort of action with an ice box and ice, trust me. That puff pastry, that'll turn into slurry. So let's get her in the camp oven. All right, camp oven's been warming up, so I've got it nice and warm. I'm gonna stick her in, get our lid on, making sure there's no sand on the bottom. You don't want sand, definitely don't want to sprinkle with sand. And then away we go. Some more coals now. And there you go. A few coals on top. We sit back and we wait now for our little hors d'oeuvres. Keep the kids fed, That's the trick when you're out camping. Well, I'll tell you what, it's been half-a, so I reckon she's good to go. Let's whip her out, I reckon. Oh yeah, we are ready to go. Ah, there we go. Sit them down there. When I get them out, you'll see here why we went. Woo! They're hot. Why I put that egg on top. Look how golden brown the tops of those are. And you see they're like twice the size. And there we go. That's your sausage roll inside. With that bit of cheese, a little bit of bacon. Gives that sort of little salty taste. Cheese, well, everyone loves the cheese. And it's nicely cooked inside. Beautiful little snack. Like I said, it's not going to feed the whole campsite. I'll tell you what, they will enjoy it. I hope you like that recipe because there's many more in my new bush cookbook, about that much, with a bonus DVD.
Cooking, gonna make us some food now.